Hey guys, and it's Monday. That means one thing, 10-minute total body workout time. Today we have a body weight workout for you, so you don't need any weights. All you need is to find a nice space at home or outdoors and we can get going. This workout is part of our monthly calendar, so you can follow along with all different workouts every day of the week. You can find that in the caption below, but for now, let's get ready to work out. Okay guys, so we have our 10-minute total body workout, and move number one, we're actually going to start with a curtsy lunge pulse, okay? So what I want you to do is bring your hips a little bit wider than hip width, bring your hands in front, and you're going to come down, 2, 3, and center, down, 2, 3, and center. Nice. And we're going to do 45 seconds of each exercise of the 10. You'll get a little teeny rest in between, but we're going to work the legs, the arms, the core. We love a little core work, don't we? The booty. Nice. This curtsy lunge is a really nice one for working the side of those glutes. Keep going, guys. Move number one. Nearly done. And then we'll move on and keep working that body. Nice. 3, 2, and 1. Rest. Move number one done. So quick. Okay, what I want you to do for your next exercise is come down to the floor. We're going to come into a plank position. Make sure that belly button is pulled up to the spine. Take a step out. You're going to hold here. And what I want you to do is lift your hips into a downward dog. Reach for your ankle and then come back. So you're reaching for the opposite leg. And then you're resetting in that plank every time. Now I'm having a bit of a half up, half down hair, lipstick stitch right now. Trials and tribulations of filming for YouTube. Keep going, guys. It's all real here. Nice. Good job, keep moving. 45 seconds of work time. One more rep and rest. Drop those knees. Nice job, guys. Okay, so we're 2 moves down. We're going to go into move number 3, and I actually want you to come to lie down on your back. From here, tilt your pelvis, make sure your lower back is pulled down to the spine. You're going to see if you can cross your cross your knees. Then you're going to fold your arms and see if you can hold onto your hands. Come together and tap. This is an eagle crunch. Okay, this is a Pilates exercise. And that folded over body position might feel a little bit weird, but it's actually really great for working that core. Keep going. If you can cross your ankles as well as your knees, and you're like a super bendy pretzel, then amazing. You can do that too. But I'm not quite a pretzel. I'm more a croissant. The food references have hit again. Lucy strikes with the food chat mid-workout. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Unwind your pretzel or your croissant and give yourself a little rock outside to side. You're going to cross your ankles. You're going to come up to a seated position. Your next exercise, you're going to extend your legs nice and long. You're going to reach your arms forward. You're going to come back, and we're just going to hold our earthquake position. So you're up, you really want your chest to be proud, your head nice and tall, and hold. And you can do a little shoulder shimmy to make it harder to the music. Otherwise, nice and still, hold. Chest proud, head tall, put a crown on. Don't let that crown fall off. Good. Nice, guys. It's called an earthquake because you should be shaking. And if you're not, and this is really easy, see if you can go a little bit lower. Nice. Woo! Hold, move number 4. We're nearly there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll up, little fold forwards. Woo! Good job, guys. Okay, let's bring it back up to standing. Is bring your feet underneath your hips. Cross your hands over the top of your shoulders and you're going to do your good morning. So you're going to lean back and then you're going to squeeze your bum when you come forward. Now from the side you can see I'm keeping a very slight bend in my knees. Good. Drop and squeeze. Now this is a really great exercise for learning the foundations of a deadlift movement or a kettlebell swing or a dumbbell swing movement, because that's all you're doing, you're hinging at the hips. And I think the temptation for people when they're doing this movement is to do a squatting pattern, but actually it's this good morning hinging at the hip that you need in all of those movements. A little bit of education for you there. One more and rest. Good. Guys, we've done 5 moves, we've only got 5 more to go. What I want you to do next is come down and we're going to actually do a lateral lunge pulse. We're going to stay on one side for half of the time and then we're going to switch. So sink down nice and low and all you're doing is kind of like a little lift of the hips and drop. Now I told you we'd be working those glutes and that's what's actually working here, okay? You'll probably feel your quad working too, but you're staying low and you're really activating those muscles in the legs. And we're going to do that 22 seconds on one leg. Then we'll do a super speedy transition and we'll do the other side for move number 6. 3, 2, 1, switch. Let's go straight in, guys, come on. Pulsing on the other leg, feeling that burn. How are you liking my leggings then? You! Not that I really need it anymore, but I couldn't resist. They've got a pocket on both sides, which is so handy when you're actually out walking or running, because you can just slip your phone in the side pocket and it literally doesn't move. It's so great. You can put your keys in the other one, your mask. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Nice. Turn your heels in. We're staying standing for the next exercise. And what I want you to do is bring your arms out, come down into a sumo hold, circle those arms. So this is a double whammy exercise. Keep your core tight, pelvis tucked under. You're doing rotations forward, halfway, we'll rotate our arms back. But I want you to stay low in that squat if you can, no sneaking up. Nice. Really good, guys, well done. Change direction of those arms. Let's go. Woo, I'm feeling those quads, are you? I love a total body workout and I love it when it's body weight. You don't need anything, you can do it anywhere, anytime, in any outfit. New leggings, old leggings, PJs, whatever you want. 3, 2, 1, and release. Woo! Good job, guys. Okay, we're actually going to come back down to the floor. And our next exercise is going to be a cobra press up. Okay? So come all the way to the floor. You want to make sure your hands are right by your chest and your elbows are squeezed back. And you're going to come halfway, drop, then full range and drop. So it's a little bit of a sneaky combo routine. Half and full. And really think about keeping your glutes engaged. No loose glutes on this one today. We're going to engage that whole body. Press your toes into the floor and really extend to the top. This is a great one for your back, for your arms and your shoulders. Nice. Keep going. Press. We're nearly there with all of these exercises. Come on, go for one more. Extend and relax. Whew, good job, guys. Okay, we're actually going to stay down. We're going to do some swimmers, okay? So again, it's going to be getting the glutes, the back, the arms. Lift your leg, lift your arms, and swim for your life. Good, so you're pulsing your arms and your legs. And you're squeezing as high as you can, and you're trying to keep your gaze down in front of you. Try not to crane your neck up too high. Keep that neck neutral. And then we'll be nearly there with all of these exercises. Good, come on guys. Swim. You're in the ocean. You're in the Bahamas. You're having a lovely holiday. We're not on a living room floor. Not right now. Come on guys, keep moving. Woo! This is burning me today. You'll have to comment below. Did the swimmers get ya? 3, 2, 1, and flop. Relax. When you're really squeezing that body tight, you should really feel that move. Okay, we're going to go for one final exercise. This is move number 10, and what I want you to do is come up to a stand. You're going to step back, but I don't want your leg to go too far back. So normally in a lunge, you would come here. I actually want you to go nice and close together and do a narrow lunge. Now this is a bit trickier for your balance, but it's a lot more quad focused than a glute focused move, okay? We're going to do half of it on one side, and then we'll switch our legs. I'm already feeling it, so you should be too. 3, 2, and 1. Quickly switch those legs straight in with that narrow lunge. Good. I'm keeping my hands on my hips. I'm keeping my gaze forward, chin down, and I'm keeping that movement nice and fluid. Woo, my quads are burning. Me and Rosie did this move in one of our Fit and Fives, which I'll link above for another day, or for straight after. Done. Ooh, and that one was so funny, we could not stop laughing. We were doing narrow lunges and it was a very hilarious day. So maybe you can go check that video out after this. Thank you so much guys for joining me today for our 10-minute total body workout. You absolutely smashed it. Please make sure you comment below which move was your favourite. Did you die in those swimmers? Who knows? Give this video a thumbs up and we'll see you soon for more workouts.